expected to develop rapidly in the warning area.
Interstate next, finding an early
Locations impacted include Alexandria, Waldorf, Clinton, Fort Washington, Fort Hunt, Groveton, Forestville, Huntington, Largo, Coral Hills, Fort Belvoir, National Harbor, Upper Marlboro, Andrews Air Force Base, Camp Springs, Oxon Hill, Hyla Valley, Walker Mill, Rosaryville, and Friendly. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents.